In this video, we'll take a look at what Pluto TV is, how it works, and whether this free streaming platform is really worth using. The first thing you should know is that Pluto TV is a free streaming platform that combines live TV channels with a catalog of on-demand content. To start using it, simply visit the official Pluto TV website through your browser or download the app on your device. The platform is available on different devices, including smartphones, smart TVs, media players, and computers. Once we're inside, we'll mainly find two ways to watch content. The first is live TV, where we can browse different categories and watch whatever is currently being broadcast. The second option is on-demand content. Here, we can search for available movies, TV shows, and other programs, and watch them whenever we want, without having to follow a specific schedule. However, it's important to keep in mind that the service is ad-supported, so we may see advertisements while watching content. This is one of the main reasons Pluto TV can offer much of its content at no cost. Another positive aspect is the variety. We can find movies, TV shows, documentaries, news, entertainment, sports, and different theme channels, although the available catalog can vary depending on the country and distribution agreements. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials and reviews.